Did you know there are so many indoor games you can play at home? From dice games to thinking games, today we're going to learn fun board games and how each one is played. Aster Basics. Ludo. Roll the dice and move your colorful tokens around the board. The main goal is to take all your tokens safely back home. Be careful, other tokens can catch you and send you back to the start. Snakes and ladders. The goal is to reach the very last square first. You move forward by counting numbers on the dice. Ladders help you climb up fast, but snakes make you slide down. Oops. Chess. A classic game of thinking and planning. Each piece moves in a special way on the board. Protect your king while trying to trap the other king. Monopoly. Money, houses, and smart decisions matter here. Move around the board, buy properties, and collect rent. If you run out of money, the game is over. Carrom. Using your fingers, flick the striker across the board. Hit the coins into the corner pockets. Pocket all your coins before anyone else to win. Scrabble. This game is all about words and spelling. Use letter tiles to form words on the board. Longer and smarter words give more points. Checkers. Move your pieces diagonally across the board. Jump over opponent pieces to remove them. Capture all the pieces to win the game. Connect 4. Drop colored discs into a standing grid. Try to connect 4 discs in a row, up, down, or sideways. Think fast before your opponent blocks you. Jenga. Steady hands are very important. Carefully pull out one wooden block at a time. If the tower falls, you lose. Dominos. Match tiles with the same numbers. Place them in a chain one by one. The first to use all tiles wins. The game of life. Take a fun journey through life events. Spin the wheel and move through school, jobs, and family life. At the end, see who collected the most money. Guess who? Use smart yes or no questions to find the mystery face. Flip down characters that don't match the answer. Guess the correct person first to win. Clue. Also called as Cluedo. Solve a fun mystery using clues. Move through rooms and collect information. Figure out who did it, where, and with what. Sequence. Cards and board strategy come together here. Match cards and place chips on the board. Create a line of 5 chips to win. Battleship. Hide your ships secretly on a grid. Call out coordinates to attack. Sink all enemy ships before yours are sunk. Life Junior. Made especially for younger kids. Spin the wheel, move forward, and collect stars. The player with the most stars wins. Candyland. Perfect for beginners and little kids. Pick a card and move to the matching color. Reach the candy castle to win, no reading needed. Sorry. Race your pawn around the board using cards. Landing on others sends them back to the start. Reach home first, but don't feel sorry. Trouble. Pop the bubble to roll the dice. Move your piece around the board as fast as you can. Knock others back and race to the finish. Mousetrap. Build a crazy machine piece by piece. Set it up carefully during the game. Trigger the trap and catch the mouse to win. LCR. Left, center, right. Roll the special dice and follow the letters. Pass chips left, right, or into the center. The last person with chips wins. Ticket to ride. Build train routes across different cities. Collect matching cards and connect places on the map. Longer routes earn bigger points. Othello, also known as reversey. Place black or white discs on the board. Trap opponent discs to flip them to your color. The player with more discs at the end wins. Backgammon. Dice decide how far you can move your pieces. Travel around the board following the path. Bring all your pieces home before your opponent. Mancala. Pick up stones and drop them into pits one by one. Careful counting helps you plan better moves. Collect the most stones to win. Blokus. Colorful shapes fill the board quickly. Place pieces so they touch only at the corners. Once you're out of space, the game is over. Pictionary. An ancient board game with a cross-shaped path. Move pieces around the board using dice or shells. Reach home before everyone else. Parcheesi. A modern and colorful version of Pictionary. Roll the dice and move your pawns safely. Avoid being sent back to the start. 9 Men's Morris. Place pieces carefully to form straight lines. Each line lets you remove one opponent piece. Outsmart your opponent to win. Mahjong. Match tiles to create sets. Remember where tiles are placed and plan ahead. Sharp memory helps you win. Scotland Yard. One player secretly moves across the city. Others chase using clues and transport tickets. Catch the mystery traveler before time runs out. Labyrinth. The maze changes every turn. Slide paths to reach hidden treasures. Plan ahead before the maze shifts again. Guess in 10. Think carefully and ask smart questions. You only get 10 chances to guess the answer. Less questions, more thinking. Payday. Travel through a full month of money decisions. Earn cash, pay bills, and collect surprises. Reach payday with the most money to win. Headbands. Wear a card on your head without seeing it. Ask yes or no questions to find out what you are. The faster you guess, the better. Blokus Duo. Designed especially for 2 players. Take turns placing shape pieces on the board. Corner touching is the only rule. Sorry, sliders. Slide pawns across the board like shuffleboard. Knock opponents off to score points. Fast slides and good aim win the game. Chutes and ladders. Climb upward using lucky numbers. Slide down when you land on chutes. Reach the top first to win. Snakes and Ladders Jr. A simpler version made for younger kids. Bright pictures and easy counting guide the moves. Perfect for learning numbers and turns. Risk. Control territories and grow your army. Move soldiers, attack regions, and defend your land. The goal is to take over the world strategically. Catan. Collect resources like wood, brick, and wheat. Build roads and houses on the board. Smart trading and planning help you win. Aggravation. Race marbles around a circular board. Landing on another marble sends it back. Get all your marbles home first to win. Pictionary. Turn your imagination into drawings. Sketch the word while others try to guess it. No speaking, only pictures allowed. Mastermind. One person creates a secret color pattern. The other guesses using logic and clues. Crack the code in the fewest tries. So many games, so much fun. Which board game is your favorite, and which one do you want to try next? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.